Hey guys, Steven here from 101 Designs. So in our first video I showed you guys how to download PSD text effects from FreePic and edit them in Photoshop. So in this video I'm going to show you how to download 3D text effects and edit them in Adobe Illustrator. So the first one was for Photoshop, while this one is for Adobe Illustrator. So they usually come in two formats. They come in PSD and in EPS formats. So I'm going to show you how to edit text effects that come in EPS formats. So let's search again. Let's just say let's just search text effects. Yeah, so as you can see, so if you look at some of them, you're going to see like PSD text effect on their names like this. So let's include the name EPS text effects, for example. Let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, these are EPS text effects. It's showing us just text effects that are in EPS formats. So we can scroll through. Depending on what you are working on, you can find anyone that is going to work for you. So like I said in the previous video, some of them are premium while some are free. So I've not actually seen anyone that really looks very nice to me. So I'm just going to click on next. So it's just let me just assume that you are working on something and you are looking for a particular style and you have not seen it. This one actually looks cool. If I don't see anyone in the next page, then I'll come and work with this one. So let me hit next. So I'm still searching here. So I actually didn't see anyone I like. Anyways, I'm just going to pick any of these and just edit it so you can see how to edit text effect, EPS text effects in Adobe Illustrator. So back to this one, I'm just going to use this one. So as you can see here, if you look from the file here, you can see that it comes in EPS and JPG formats. So if you download this, it's going to come in EPS format. So I'm just going to hit on download and free download. So our file has been downloaded. Then as usual, we're just going to extract it. So just like we had in the previous video, we had in the previous video we had a PSD file and a JPG file, which is like a preview. So here we have an EPS file and a JPG file, which is the same preview, and then we have this licenses document here. So we're going to open this EPS file. So our file has opened, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on the text tool, and then when you bring your text tool over here, you're going to see it changes. It gives this color. It shows you that something is highlighting, and then you can type in any text you want. So this text says help. I'm going to type in, let me just say yes, for example. Yes. As you can see, I just changed the text. So once you just click on the text tool, you can just hover over this like this, just select it. You can just select it like this, and then you type in any text you want. So if you don't have the font that the actual font they use is going to automatically change the fonts for you, then you have to just go through your fonts your font gallery and just select another font that you want to use. So then you can just equally delete all this background, or you can drag. Let me lock this. Sorry. So I'm just going to select all this additional stuff here, and then I'm going to lock this. So you can just equally select just this and drag it and probably drop it in another project or save it as a PNG or something. So that's basically how to edit text effects right here in Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it to anyone who might need it. See you in the next tutorial.